Hello, welcome to Mammoth Online. Today we'll be looking into formulas for set. In the last video, we talked about how different type of set exist and then how intersection of two set, three set, and we talked about some problems on that. Today we'll look into a general formula for all the possible set problems, right? So this is X. Let's introduce you to X, and this is Y, and this is Z. Z is the intersection of X and Y, as you can see, right? What is X? X is this exclusive area, Y is this exclusive area, Z is intersection of the set A and B. Sorry, it is the intersection of set A and B. Now, you can clearly understand what is number of elements in A. If I ask you, you know what is that, right? X plus Z makes up the whole A. If I ask you what is N of B, you'll be like, oh, Y plus Z makes up the whole N of B. So when I add N of A plus add N of B, what do I get? X plus Y plus Z plus another Z, right? Very good. What is union? We learned about union. When I ask A union B, it means all the elements of X, A and B taken once, right? So that is X and Y and Z. You have to take it only once, right? That is A union B. What is N of A intersection B? All the elements common for A and B. That is only Z, right? From this whole equation you can understand, I can write N of A plus N of B as N of A union B plus N of A intersection B. This is very useful formula we can remember for two set. Okay, now let's see the few possibilities of this particular equation, right? So look into this kind of thing. I'll show you. Now let's move on and let's see some examples. Okay, these are the two sets, right? Now imagine this particular set does not intersect. Okay, it's like this. They don't intersect. They are like this. What does it mean? It means in that particular case A intersection is 0. In that case A intersection will be 0. Then N of A, which is this whole thing, N of B, then N of A plus N of B will be N of A union B, because N of A intersection B will be equal to 0. This whole thing will be 0. It will be basically only this. So that is what we understand from this particular diagram, right? But in case if they intersect like this, then yeah, of course there are certain intersection elements here, and then we'll get a different scenario where you have to talk about the intersection of these two sets. Okay, only when they are not intersecting, then we talk about N of A plus N of B equal to N of A union B. Okay, so let's understand one thing. What do you call such a set which is not intersecting? Okay, here we can clearly see they are not intersecting. Such set which are not intersecting, we call them disjoint set. What is it called? Disjoint sets. Those are not intersecting, like this one. There is no intersection. When A intersection B is actually equal to 0, we call it disjoint sets. Okay, in disjoint set, N of A plus N of B will be equal to N of A union B. That's it. In every other scenario, you'll have an intersection. Okay, that is one thing we learned. Let's look into three problems, right? Whenever we have three particular scenarios like this one, let's see what you get for that. So we have more parameters now. Let's write down them, right? We have X, we have Y, we have Z. That is exclusively this area. And we can write P, and we can write Q, and we can write R. And the middle part we can name it like, let's say, W. Okay, the middle part has an exclusive name, we say W. Okay, now let's understand them, right? So we clearly know what is A. A is what? A is X plus P plus Q plus W. What is B? B is basically Y plus P plus R plus W. What is C? Z plus R plus Q plus W. Very nice. Now let's see this situation. If I add n of A plus n of B plus n of C, I want to know this, right? When I add all of this, I can see I have X plus Y plus Z, which is beautiful. Then I have 2 times P plus 2 times Q plus 2 times R plus 3 times W. This is the total summation I'm getting, right? That's very nice. Let's understand what is n of A union B union C. I know what is n of A union B. Everything taken once. X plus Y plus Z plus P plus Q plus R plus W. That is union. What is n of A union? Okay, let's say not union. Let's talk about intersection, right? Let's say what is n of A intersection B? Let's see. N of A intersection B is what? A and B intersection is P and W. Yes, very nice. P plus W is n of A intersection B. What is n of B intersection C? Let's see the diagram. B intersection B and C, what are the common elements? You can clearly see that is basically R and W, right? R and W. So it's R plus W. N of A intersection C. What is common for A and C? W is common definitely, and then the common is Q and so it's Q plus W. What is common for all of them? N of A intersection B intersection C, and we know all W is common for all of them. Right? Okay, very nice. So I can clearly see from this result n of A plus n of B plus n of C is equal to X plus Y plus Z plus, right? I can write it P plus Q plus R plus W, right? And then I can also write it as P plus W plus Q plus W plus R plus W. But I know already there is one W and I have added, there are 3 W's in total summation, but now I have added 4 W's. So I have to subtract 1 W. Now it is same. But I know from the expression here, what are these expressions? This whole expression is actually n of A union B union C. And I know what is this expression? It is n of A intersection B. And I know what is that expression? That is n of A intersection C. And I know what is that expression? N of B intersection C. And minus n of A intersection B intersection C. So the whole expression is here now. Just compile it now. Basically n of A plus n of B plus n of C is nothing but n of A union B union C plus n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of C intersection A minus, and there is a minus here, I'll write it with a minus sign, minus n of A intersection B intersection C. So in general, you see in the books, what you see is you normally see finding this, right? You have to find this. So the formula I will be writing for the whole expression is, if somebody asks you what is union, just like the previous example, it's basically summation of n of A plus n of B plus n of C. And that is this. Minus, this whole thing will go there. So minus, there's a minus here, minus n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of C intersection A, and this minus goes there, it becomes plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula we'll be taking for the whole takeaway from the whole video. Thank you.